Jolly cut! Jolly cut! Yeah, just jolly, just gamay. Ayaw pugsa.
Ayaw pugsa ha. Okay. Para di mo ba na dako yun eh. It's big man.
It's
Are you recording?
Because you see.
yeah.
We'll show this.
Bira jal, ayaw ka bira pinagsa. Ay, humok na jal. Bira ligo ni gamay. Lak gamay.
Oh, it's big.
It's big man.
Ay, ilak gamay jal.
Catfish.
Ayaw palupig.
I told you. I wish for catfish for them. Because that's big.
Should we drive closer to it? Maybe it's easier.
May gumakuan tani pa sa.
If we drive
Ako na
closer
ilap
to
ko
it.
ya.
There you go.
Really big.
Yes,
I
pulling
think I
all
should-
the line.
I think I should bring
Yeah,
this
yeah.
time my biggest rod. I have a big rod.
Catfish ba?
Ayaw palupig.
Bro,
Ayaw.
this is huge.
Maybe
Maybe if it's very big, we should drive to the dock.
Wala na ako gipul. Ako lang
If
gihinahina.
it's of a
wala-
catfish,
wala
how are
ka
we going to fit
makabira.
it on the boat? Put it on.
Really?
Bira na jud. Ayaw na palupig. Catfish dako kayo.
Oh, di na
This is
maputol.
huge.
This one is a really good rod also.
Can't you drive towards the
Can you
fish?
please?
Yes,
Because I need to get my line.
Ay, this is your time, ay.
We're coming back with the short.
Use the foot.
What is it? What is it? Oh shit!
It's used. I think
Holy shit, it's big.
because it goes up.
Yeah, did you see? Yeah.
If it's spike, it's go down.
Yeah.
One try. One try like this. One try. Pas, kaya pas. Okay lang, okay.
Because it's your time.
Oh my gosh, I think this is like 1 meter.
Let's go. It's go.
Oh my god.
Do you have the max brake on?
Use.
I can't see because of this.
Can you do the video for that?
Yeah, I'm recording everything.
Oh.
Do you want somebody to take over?
Yeah, take a video of it here.
Yeah.
Wala.
Balas na kamay ha.
It's very.
Sige, I can hold it.
Wait.
Look at that.
Oh, we're coming back with the shark. I think it's a whale.
No, it's used. It's used.
Can you record? Oh no, you have the net.
I can
You
record
have
it
the net.
Want to try?
But yeah,
Soon.
Ready. You do like
It's big, oh. Look at that.
you go ahead.
It's big. It's huge. You try. It's big. Slowly. Don't lose it, please. Don't lose it, please. It's so big. I think it's catfish.
Yeah. Taga.
Di nakabuhi. Dako kini. Oh my God. Look at that, oh. Ulo. The three of them. Sila tulo may katabang. Dako kini. Pads. Mas dako ni sa imong gi katong nakabuhi mo, Pads.
oh shit!
Uy.
So big!
What is this?
It's yours. Ulo. Ulo. Na duha ka buk. Pads. Duha ka buk. Halas man. No, snake. Eel.
It's catfish.
Yeah, we can remove this.
Oh, no, it's a snake.
No, it's a catfish.
It's catfish so big.
No, it's not. Use. It's use.
Catfish.
No, it's use.
No, it's catfish, I swear.
No, it's use.
It doesn't catfish. It's catfish. It doesn't fit. Wish na
Oh, so big.
Take the video.
Baka malunod tayo. Malunod ta.
Malunod pa.
Nag-video ko.
Call Professor Gunnar. Call somebody.
No,
Picture.
Professor. Ay, picture.
Oh,
Uy, nakuha. Uy.
nasangit pa.
Nasangit lang sa ikog.
Ilang.
It's barely hooked, so please put it in.
Are you sure it's catfish?
Yes, the catfish. You
Kapit
see
naman
how
tanda.
it is.
Isunod.
Di man makwan.
Ayo, isunod ang powder.
Ang net ba? Ang net.
Sangit mo ba?
Oh, ibalik na lang kapag tuyo. Kuhan ang gamay pads. Oh,
Oh.
Come on.
okay na naman kuhang.
I need to take a picture.
Malunod ah.
Where's my phone?
Hey, call Professor.
Call somebody.
Call Professor. Call bro. Malunod ta.
Oh, I'm calling FaceTime.
Isunod lang ang.
Get. Call.
Oh, I'm
Big.
shaking.
Oh. So big.
But it came through.
We can
Please
have.
answer. Please answer.
Record.
We can have aqua. We can have.
You look that. Oh.
Bro, we can eat for 2 months.
Huh?
We can eat this for
No, we
2
will
Professor
not
Gunnar.
eat this. We will, but we will take a picture.
Just with the catfish.
Yeah.
Get Professor.
I'm
Get
calling Chris. He's not.
This is.
Do you have
we can
a-
get a trophy with this.
Do you have Chris's number?
No, I don't have.
We can get that.
Ah, do you?
have my phone. I will get that.
The Chris that is getting married.
This is
Yeah, I have.
Can you call him?
We can
I
have.
am taking the video. Oh, grabe, record. Lala, nani doon.
Yeah, we can.
Kisama na, do you know them? Do you know them? Do you know them?
No, but they can help us.
Yeah,
They have a
they
bigger
tell
boat.
them that we need to remove this.
Oh! Do you know them?
Yeah, we need.
Adam?
We
Adam?
can help.
Ah, they're also fishing.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so big.
Okay na, okay na.
We go can
Alam niya,
you can tell them na. You can help us. We need to put it back. Yeah.
big catfish, we need to put it back.
From your mall. Yeah. It's two.
Tour. Get this tour.
We're gonna put it back, but
We need to. I have here. I have one. Return, yeah. I have here.
Na wish ko mo dyan, 20 kilo dyan. Tiba nga dyan.
To weigh.
Tiba nga dyan.
Wait, I think this is like 100
Yeah,
kilo.
Tiba 100 kilo, bukatag yun kayo. Oh, jali oh. Record breaking jali ha.
Oh, you can weigh this.
Ah, okay jali, okay. Yeah, ano. Ha?
Di ba nag-wish na ko ba nga makakuha ka ba?
Ah, okay na. Uli na ta. Uli na ta. It's a monster. It's so big. See? Oh. Oh.
Is it okay with this or?
No, it's okay.
I don't know. How to weigh
Oh,
this?
luckily you had a big fish net. Yeah.
Shit, we have to take a photo.
Yeah, we took a video when we pulled it down. It's so big, so heavy.
Ni fick glasdraget eller?
Ja, eller inte ur... Fick get it up, den är fast i...
I don't know how to weigh.
Fy fan! You're lucky.
Is it with my mouth?
So we need another's help.
Can you take a video here, Pat? Ikat na niya.
Ay, cut na. Oh, another kilo.
We can weigh. No, I think we can weigh together with this.
Oh.
And then we will just
You have to
mind
release it, you know that.
Yeah, we have to release it.
We
We
just
just
weigh.
take a picture with this one.
And we will.
How do I put
We
the
need to
hook in?
fast.
No.
Maybe not in only with
The
only
net,
with
the net,
this,
the net.
with
Yeah,
the net.
yeah.
And then we will just
And then we just
Yeah.
send it back.
yeah, and minus with the net. Take it.
How many kilos? How many kilos? Sir?
I think you can.
Again.
I don't know.
Careful,
Weigh it.
he might. Okay, that one again.
One.
Drop it here.
That's too.
That's too heavy.
Okay, go. No,
Oh.
don't do it. Otherwise, we're gonna lose it.
Put it
Yeah,
back
We're gonna
now.
lose our net.
Maybe we just put it back.
Yeah, it's. I think it's 100.
Yeah.
100 kilo.
Take a nice picture with it.
Yeah. Okay, take me. Bye, bye. Oh, yan. Bye.
World record.
World record.
Oh my God.